Later we'll screw. First we'll check whether it's booting up or not. Turn it around. Okay, at least LED indication is coming. So we'll press the power button. Maybe it is not properly charged. I think I have to press again. Let me press again. Yeah, some screen flicker has happened. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes. Let's see what happens. One LED indication I can see. It's glowing. This LED is still up, but on display nothing. This LED also gone. Yeah, some flicker I can see again, it came. Maybe in BIOS some delay is there, booting up delay. We'll see later. Yeah, now we can see Dell logo. At least it's BIOS something. Okay, battery is not connected. Okay, press F1. Yeah, it's booting up. Yeah, successful.